DeLong is an American neurologist and professor at the Medical School of Emory University. His research has advanced the understanding and treatment of Parkinson's disease, dystonia, tremor, and other neurological movement disorders. DeLong attended Stanford University, of 1962, Harvard Medical School, MD 1966, completed his internship at Boston City Hospital and his residency training at Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore, and subsequently joined the faculty of Johns Hopkins University. Since 1990, he has been a member of the faculty at Emory University, where he has been the William Patterson Timme Professor of Neurology since 1993. In 1968, DeLong began 5 years of research training in the laboratory of Edward Everts at the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, Maryland. Richardson did experiments with monkeys to find out first groups of neurons, nucleus basalis, which are involved in the pathogenesis conditioned learning, and they revealed the role played by the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. At the NIH, DeLong recorded the reactions of single brain cells in a part of the brain called the basal ganglia. However, little was known about how the basal ganglia affected movement, or how disease of the basal ganglia caused the movement disorders seen in Parkinson's disease. In meticulous experiments over several years, DeLong measured the firing of specific cells in the basal ganglia of awake monkeys when they performed specific trained movements. Based on this work, and the work of others, DeLong and his colleagues identified a series of separate circuits that connect the basal ganglia with the cerebral cortex and thalamus. These circuits allow parallel processing of emotions, thoughts, and movement. He discovered that neurons in a part of the basal ganglia called the subthalamic nucleus were firing excessively, and that destroying, ablating, the subthalamic nucleus greatly improved the symptoms. The same accomplishments were recognized by his receipt, with benefit, of the 2014 Lasker-DeBakey Clinical Medical Research Award.